Question. DS. What is the slope of the straight line K in the xy plane? Condition 1. The straight line K passes through 1, A. Condition 2. The straight line K passes through A, 2. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS, 4 variables, question. Condition 1, 1 equation. Condition 2, 1 equation. DS question with 4 variables. Let the original condition in a DS question contain 4 variables. Now, 4 variables would generally require 4 equations to be able to solve for the value of variables. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation resulting in a total of 2 equations, one each from condition 1 and condition 2. However, since we need 4 equations to match the numbers of variables and equations in the original condition, the unequal number of equations and variables should logically give us an answer E. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the slope of the straight line K in the xy plane. The slope of the straight line K in the xy plane is dependent on any 2 sets of points on the line, x1, y1, and x2, y2. And the formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Don't be overwhelmed by this question. Trust the method and choose E as the answer because there are 4 variables. Follow the second and the third step. From the original condition, we have 4 variables, x1, y1, x2, and y2. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 4 equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, E would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at both conditions together. Condition 1 tells us that straight line K passes through 1, A. Hence, x1 equals 1, y1 equals A. Condition 2 tells us that straight line K passes through coordinate A, 2. Hence, x2 equals A, y2 equals 2. Therefore, slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which equals 2 minus A over A minus 1. But we cannot know the unique value of A. So conditions 1 and 2 combined are not sufficient. I have taught 30,000 students during the last 19 years and have gone to write the exam and done very well. This is a proven approach. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient, so E is the correct answer. When there are more than 3 variables in the question, it is most likely that E would be the answer. Therefore, always check both conditions together to save time. Answer E.